openMAINT is the application for the management of buildings, plants, technical devices and related maintenance activities. openMAINT is a CMMS product derived from specific and extensive experience in the field, following related rules and best practices. openMAINT allows to know, manage and maintain in an efficient manner buildings and facilities. It guarantees maximum flexibility to match specific project's needs. openMAINT is a vertical configuration of CMDBuild from which it takes all features and native mechanisms. Each property and facility management activity is based on the concrete and detailed knowledge of the managed real estates and movable assets. openMAINT manages inventory of real estate assets, plants and related components with their technical and functional characteristics. Data cards, workflows, dashboards and reports support the inventory and facility management activities. openMAINT allows to archive and connect to each property, related purchase and rental contracts, utility contracts, building practices, document and photographs. With openMAINT, it is also possible to archive and connect to each plant and device technical manuals, purchase and repair documents, images and videos. openMAINT uses the maintenance manual as basis to manage in a custom way every organizational object and typology. In openMAINT, it is possible to register the information about the typology and the frequency of the activities, required equipments, necessary spare parts, possible breakdowns, diagnostic checklists. openMAINT then automatically creates the maintenance calendar, produces work orders, forwards them through workflows to the right personnel. It is possible to start a corrective maintenance from automatic alarms, the self-service portal, emails, or verbal requests by registered users. The self-service portal allows users to interact with the technical staff, to report their needs and stay updated on the resolution of the activities. The work orders can be divided into sub-interventions and allow to record the costs related to working hours and spare parts used. You can set criteria for the automatic control of the activities in progress and for notifications of delays. openMAINT allows to manage the movements of consumable materials used for the maintenance activities. Movements can be recorded on the move using the openMAINT Mobile app for Android and iOS smartphones and tablets. With openMAINT, is it possible to manage budgets, suppliers, and contracts for the purchase of goods and services, register purchase orders and related costs. Dashboards and reports allows to check and analyze the economical data registered in openMAINT. openMAINT implements support functions for managing aspects of energy consumption in buildings. Complex IoT solutions can be integrated with openMAINT. openMAINT lets you geo-reference and display the assets on territorial maps, on 2D vectorial plans and on 3D BIM models. Is it possible to synchronize the BIM models with IFC standard files? The openMAINT Mobile app implements the main features of the desktop interface. Consult and update the data cards of technical and plant assets, register the maintenance activities, print reports, etc. The app allows to take photographs and store them in the database as attached documents, and to read barcode and QR code and view the corresponding data cards. openMAINT belongs to the CMDBuild Suite of asset management solutions. Tecnoteca is the developer of the software solution and the official maintainer of the open source project.